What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to clean the air intake filter on a mini split air conditioning unit. First thing you're going to do is pop the front of the unit open. Usually there's two tabs on the side and then a couple across the front, and then lift it up and it should hold in this position. Then lift up on the filter. You can see it has the two tabs on the bottom. Slide it out of the channel. And most of these have at least two and sometimes up to four of these little filters. So remove those. Next, at the sink, turn on the water and turn it on the spray function if you have it. I like to spray these from the back to the front. The air on the unit usually comes in from the front to the back, so everything gets stuck kind of on the front of these filters. And if you'd like, you could use a little mild detergent, like a little bit of dish soap or something, but I won't use anything harsh. Next, repeat the process on the other filter or filters. Next, with a nice clean paper towel, dry them off. Just be fairly gentle with them. They're fairly delicate. If you'd like, with the unit off, you can let them fully air dry as well. Next, to reinstall them, just make sure you put them back into these two channels here. Channel on each side. Put the filter in, slide it up and over the back, and then up and over the two tabs in the front, and just make sure it's seated down. Then do the same thing on the other side. Next, close the front cover and make sure all the tabs are pressed in. Lastly, turn on the air conditioner and make sure it's functioning correctly. And if it is, you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also check out all my other maintenance videos if you're interested. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.